What's going on? It's your boy Darn back with another video, man. Today is gonna be another reaction. And hold up, before I even get too far into the intro, I hate long intros, but y'all got me doing this, man. Sadly to say, but this is not a reaction channel. You feel me? I'm still do reactions. I say maybe once a month or every other month, but this is not mainly a reaction channel. So you feel me? I did my last reaction 3 months ago. It was to Metallica 1. Y'all went crazy, got 13,000 views. Shout out to y'all, man. Y'all reaction fans, y'all reaction niggas kind of crazy. Y'all was blowing up my comments talking about something. Where you at? Why haven't you did another reaction? Oh my god, chill. We here now, man. Let's get it popping. This is what y'all requested. Mostly what I seen. That's the top comments was Metallica, Master of Puppets. So you know what time it is. I hate on intros. This intro is way too long. So let's get it. Alright, let's get this stuff started. I'm excited, but hold on, dang, I can't even talk it. Oh, the song just started! Oh my god. Oh my, hold up. Y'all was getting on me for not listening to the song with 2 headphones in. I got to now. Hold up. I'm tripping. Y'all hear that? Hold up, let me stop pausing. I got 9 minutes to go. You got a straight face doing all that too? Yeah. Oh, I gotta turn this all the way on. Bro, is it raining where they at? They playing in the rain like this? What is the on the drums? I love to do it on the drums, boy. Oh yeah, I didn't say this, but y'all was telling me to react to the live version too, so that's why I'm reacting to this one. That's what I was told. I'm confused. I'm new to Metallica, man. I don't know what I'm doing yet. It's too much for my ears. I don't know what I'm doing.
Master, Manchester.
Yup. Ooh. Yup. Hey. Yup. I can't really hear what they're saying though. Then you got the crowd in the background singing it too though. Hold on, that's a crowd. Okay, crowd.
Master of Puppets, pulling his days. Twisting your minds, fast and good.
It is going to work for it now. That one thing made it more than boy. Why he just did that? Like he was focused on. But I'm so confused, but it's lit though. I'm confused, but it's like a good confused. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay.
Let's do this together, Manchester.
Boy. Pump to that guitar now, god dang. Okay. 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 Okay, get it. Yup. Get it, yup. Drummer going in. Right, they all scrapping. I told you, they all scrapping.
This is what I like. Not sure how to die.
What's happening with something like this?
Never-ending maze. Drifting up for days. Now all life, galaxies up. I will lock you back. I will help you die. I know what to do. Now will you try?
Hey! What on lit, boy? They better sing that. They better sing that, John, boy. If I was there, boy, I can't go to one of these concerts, boy. I'll be in the crowd.
Twisting your mind, smiling good. Learning for me, yes, it's good. Just come on me, I'm your scared. That's good. Just come on me, I'm your scared. That's good.
Well, I love it. Yeah, change up, be so clean. Bro, I like when you do that. And he put his hand out, that's just so lit, bro. I love that.
You beautiful Manchester. Follow me. Hey, 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 hey.
Hey, 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 hey. Okay, hey, 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 hey. I thought I was all about this for a minute. Bro, I know it's not over, bro. I know it's not over. Dang! It's been 9 minutes. I thought we just getting started.
Forgot about that.
It's over already? How? What is this? Where y'all going? Where they going? Come back! Oh, alright, so that's gonna be the video, man. Oh, man. Metallica. Man, I can't even speak right now. I'm speechless. Again. That was crazy. The dude on the drums. I like when the dude be playing the guitar and he raised that one hand, and he got one hand playing. Man, what a freak. I wish I could understand what they were saying, though. I couldn't really hear it. But y'all suggested a live version. Y'all supposed to be suggesting me the good stuff. I don't know what I'm doing right now, man. Suggest me some good Metallica songs. Like I said, though, this is not a reaction channel. I will be reacting to songs maybe like once a month, but not frequently. Don't forget, this is not a reaction channel. But other than that, man, shout out to y'all for that subscribe button. And ow!